Freight is the backbone of global trade. However, it is hardly innovated in the last 100 years. Logistics can be complex. Transportation of goods can take days, weeks, or even months, with stops at multiple hubs, loading, unloading, customs checks, and warehouse idle time. Add labour shortages and political tensions, and you can see why global supply chains are bottlenecked. What if we found a way to transform the most overlooked yet critical element of the supply chain? What if we found a way to move goods in a manner that saves time, cost, and carbon emissions? What if we could reach further, create new direct routes, and connect underserved communities? Dronamics is transforming cargo mobility through innovation in the middle mile. An all-in-one solution consisting of cargo drones and a network of drone ports that easily integrates into customers' supply chains, enabling freight that is up to 80% faster, 50% more affordable, and 60% lower in emissions. With drone ports in multiple locations, Dronamics enables same-day middle-mile transportation. Cargo can also be loaded into the aircraft directly from the origin, where the facilities allow. Each aircraft can carry a high payload of up to 350 kilograms at a range of up to 2,500 kilometers, enabling same-day shipping over very long distances for a variety of goods. From pharma, humanitarian aid to perishables. From e-commerce, fashion and luxury to spare parts. Designed with fuel efficiency in mind, the aircraft operates at 30 to 60% lower emissions than alternative modes of transport. Remotely piloted and powered by satellite systems, allowing for real-time cargo tracking for peace of mind. Keeping cargo moving while saving time, cost and carbon emissions. Enabling new direct trade routes and connecting communities through a network of drone ports. Dronamics, enabling same-day delivery for everyone, everywhere.